Hello everyone, in today's lesson I am going to focus on creating a slideshow using Google Slides. So for that I first go to my drive, and when I get to my drive I go to new where I'm pointing. Then I'm going to make a Google slide, so I click on it. Once I do that, I'll be able to get a set of slides, and you'll see that then it's gonna look like this, and this is where you're going to place the title of whatever the presentation you're making. And for the purpose of this lesson I am going to just type reading strategies. So then I write who is making the slide. After I do that, then I can, on this side, I can select the theme that I would like the best. So they have many themes that you can choose from. So I'm just gonna choose any theme that I like. Maybe I like orange, and whatever your choice. There are many other things that you could do, and you can even bring some different colors. You can change the color, but since we're just learning how to make a Google slide, I'm just gonna keep it simple. So this is the first slide. You can add a picture. If you want to insert a picture, you're just going to insert here, and you can bring a picture, you can bring an image, you can do audio, a video, bring anything you want, but you can also keep it simple. I also like to, right after I start, I like to give it a name, so it's easier for me to later on find it. Then once I have the material for me to just add on, I just click on this slide, so it will give me the next one. So I just press enter and it will give me another slide. If I click on it again and I press another enter, I am going to get another slide, and it's going to be ready for me. If I don't like the theme, I could always just change it, just go to whatever theme I like. Once you have everything that you want to have on your slides, so let's say I'm gonna add here strategy 1, and I'm going to add the information that I want. If I want to have bullet points, if I want to have anything, this is very similar to PowerPoint. It's actually easier than PowerPoint. Then here I could have strategy 2. Alright, so once I'm ready and I have my slides, all I need to know is that it saves it automatically. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to even think about what am I going to do next. Then once I have them, I'm ready and I want to present it. All I do is click here and present, and my slides are going to just come to the entire screen. And then I just click on them to continue. So I'm going to show you to click on the first one, then you're going to press present. And as you see, it's loading and it's going to present. Right away, if I click, it's going to go to the next slide, and then to the next slide. And then if I keep on clicking, then it's just going to stop. Then after that, if I want to share it with my friend or whoever I'm working with, all I need to go is go to share. And there are different options. So I could write their email, their Gmail here, so that way they can see it. They can see the document, or I can get a link. So if I get the link, I have to be careful. As you notice here, it says restricted, only people added can open with this link. So I can change that so that whoever sees anybody gets this link, with anybody that gets this link, they can open it, no matter if they have been selected or not. And they can either view it, or they can comment on it, or they can edit. If I choose for them to edit, they can make any changes they want. If I choose for them to comment on them, they will just be able to write something about it on the side. They view it, they can just see it, and they will not be able to make any changes. So what I need to do is I could just copy the link and paste it on any document or any email that I'm sending to them. so that way they can get it. That's all you need to do when you're sharing. So you copy the link, you're done, then you open your email or wherever Gmail that you want, even if it's your school email, you paste the email there and the link there, and they'll be able to see the document. That is how this works. And also, as I said here, when you are sharing it, if you add their names or you add their emails, if you already saved it, if you write their names, their emails are gonna come here. And if you're at the school, you would have their email already in the system. So you just need to type their last names and it's gonna come up. So I hope this was helpful to share documents with your friends and also to make a Google slideshow.